how to create Amex account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Here, you'll be able to select your region. So simply tap on the region that you want to select. Now here on the bottom, you can see this next button. Simply tap on next. So it will take some time. Here on the right bottom, simply tap on proceed and simply tap on yes. Now you can simply tap on enable notification and tap on allow. So as you can see, I've been logged in. Now here on the top, you can see the settings button. Here you can edit your profile and do different changes here. So simply tap on edit contact info, and here you'll be able to add your email, name and register your whole ID. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.